Hello children, today we will learn about parts of a plant. Are you ready? So in the first slide you see that there is a plant and there are so many parts that the plant has. Do you know what are the parts of a plant? So as we go forward now, please keep watching. I will teach you about the parts of a plant. And in this slide we see there are so many cute things like the pineapple, the mango, and there are two kids who are watering a plant. Now let's come to parts of a plant. So if you see in this picture, so very first we'll start from bottom, that is the roots. Then we'll go to the stem. And as the root and stem are built, there are new leaves which come, and along with that will come flowers and fruits. So if someone asks you what are the parts of a plant, what would we say? We will say root, stem, leaf, fruit, flower. And this entire picture is shoot system. Next, let's understand how does a plant grow. So the first step is in the soil we have to sow the seeds. As you put the seeds in the soil, it will slowly start growing its root. And from roots it will then go to the stem, and from stem it will go to the flowers, and finally you will get a fruit. So here there's a tomato which is first green in color, and then as time passes it becomes red in color. So as we discussed, the first step to grow a plant is buy some seeds from the market and put it in the soil. So these seeds will now slowly grow and become into a whole plant. So children, can you tell me what are the plants that you have at your home? Do you do any gardening with your parents? And which is your favorite plant? Please comment and let us know how do you love planting. Next is watering. Once you have sown the seeds will need water in order to grow. So water will have all the essential nutrients and vitamins that the seed needs in order to become a plant. So you can say, like when you were a baby, you used to have milk, then what did mama give you so that you would become stronger? Mama would give you lentils, pulses, mama will give you rice. So similarly, a plant needs water, and the second thing is sunlight. So sunlight is very important for the plant to do photosynthesis, and then they slowly grow into a whole plant. So here there's the picture of the root. So root you will not be able to see because the root lies below the plant, below the soil. But that is the main place where all the nutrients and vitamins are stored by the plant. Next, as the roots have become stronger, the plant will now slowly grow above the soil, giving you the stem of the plant. The stem, like we human beings have the spinal cord, because of which we are able to stand erect. Similarly, in the plant you can see there is the stem, and the stem is very important because from the stem we will get new leaves and flowers and eventually the fruits. So now, as I said, the next step will be once the stem and the roots are strong, you have given them water, you are giving them sunlight, then the plant starts to nourish and give us new leaves. These leaves are a signal that the plant is healthy. If you see some yellow leaves, then you can know that the plant is not healthy. But if you see green leaves, then you can be sure that the plant is growing in a very healthy way. Next is, as you say in this picture, I would like to ask you, do you water the plants at your house? You and your friends, or your siblings, your sister, your brother, how do you all take care of your plants? And do you know that if you take care of your plants, the plants will actually give you new flowers and new fruits? So do you enjoy doing it? And otherwise, let me know who does it, water your plants at your home. So children, many of you now know that how a plant grows, and now I would like to ask you, do you think gardening can be a very nice hobby? Yes, absolutely. When I was small, even I used to help my parents. My father especially loved gardening, and I used to help him with growing plants. So now that you know how a plant grows, you can actually develop gardening as a hobby. Thank you for watching this video.